Hello, colorful people. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing a Shein haul. My first Shein haul. And you'll want to stick around for the end of this video because this is the cheapest Shein haul you'll ever find on the internet. Let's go. First up is this floral two-piece set. The top and the skirt. It's a potato matador, but it can be worn as a dress if you pull it up. It's very stretchy and form-fitting. Next up is another two-piece set. This one is a shorts set, biker shorts and an oversized t-shirt. It's very stretchy. The material feels amazing. The next top is a stretchy one. It's kind of thin and a little bit see-through. Oh, and most of the items in this haul will be tops. I had to separate them into two videos. As you can see, the top is see-through, so you'd have to wear like black underwear underneath it. See? Well, I'm gonna show up. Next is another stretchy top, which like you want to show me. It feels very form-fitting and breathable. Don't mind me. Feels good on the skin. From your belly no bang. My girl tucking your belly. They look good. Ooh, this one is very cute. It's another choker, turtleneck kind of thingy. Very stretchy. The black and white, not anything. Looks nice with the shorts. The next top is a tank top to the name. This came as a four-piece set. It came in this color, black, white, and I think gray. So this is one of my favorite tops, probably because it's burgundy and it's my favorite color, but it feels really nice. Very stretchy and it's a little style at the top. And I had to fight to get into this blouse because I never know how to fix it, but yeah. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Yes. The floral long sleeve top, which is too small for me. This is a size small. The sleeves are extremely tight, but still looks good. Really, watch nice top. So this is an open back top. It can be worn dressed up or dressed down. So you can wear it casually or formally, depending on how you feel like dressing up. And it comes in a lot of different colors. So this white top is another stretchy top. Look like everything stretchy tonight, but another stretchy top. A little start the top. Little things up my name. You know, so you can't wear with the bra underneath it like that, but just for trying on purposes. So the back is kind of backless. Another stretchy top. This is an off the shoulder long sleeve. I'll try to put the prices up if I can find them. You know, the prices go up and down, so they might vary during the time I purchase them and when you will purchase them. So sometimes they're on sale, and then sometimes the prices go up. Who didn't know that Shein wicked? Tell me. Look at this nice jeans top. Nice button and all. Eh? Shein trick, you know. Look at the back. Look at the back with the elastic. This is just a stretchy top that looks like a jeans top from afar. The belly look like mine. Probably you can't wear this, but unless you're wearing a high waist pants or shorts. Another stretchy tank top, sleeveless tank top. Up next is another sleeveless tank top. Them almost look like the same thing. One is black and white, and one is white and black. And it came from the Shein Easywear store. This one is much longer for persons like me who have the gut. Yeah, cover up your belly. And if you're ready for summer, this top is for you. It's a flowy, it's not stretchy, but it's flowy. The material feels good. It can be tied at the front or let loose. Yeah, cover your belly. Nobody see that. But it feels very festive in a way. It feels very summer, flowy. And even if you put on the back way or not, I think if the tie goes at the front, yeah, a bit at the front. Next up, we have this cute white oversized t-shirt dress. It's quite stretchy, so I need my belly band to wear with this one because they have a little style at the sleeve. It's very stretchy. It feels cool. It feels comfy. Very nice. It's kind of short. It's mid-thigh length, and this is a Shein signature top. And see everybody there with them here. I'm selling a brown, I'm selling a black. Everybody have one brown sugar blouse. So this is a brown sugar top. Next. So this top came as a set. I ordered it in large. When it come, it could fit my mom. My mom is extra large. So it is very stretchy, so probably that's why. So that's really top as an oversized t-shirt. Next up is this cute butterfly top. It says be yourself. It's very stretchy. Well, everything looks like everything stretchy on this. It's very stretchy, it's very comfortable. Feel like you can work out on this. Be yourself. The last top in this haul is this gray t-shirt, this gray heartbeat t-shirt. It goes with anything. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time, continue to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.